Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to color match text in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this text example. Double click, select full select or single select text and click text color and matching any color. And another way, single or double select or full gradient color. Double click, click this example, click this color and again add it, click middle, again double click and water. Liner style, angle, radial. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.